In the dynamic world of banking, operational efficiency and accurate financial analysis are paramount for success. However, without proper certification and training, banking professionals may struggle to streamline operations, conduct comprehensive financial analyses, and make data-driven decisions, leading to missed opportunities, inefficiencies, and potential risks. Without the knowledge and skills gained from this certification, individuals may find themselves ill-equipped to navigate the complexities of bank operations and financial analysis, hindering their ability to drive operational excellence, provide insightful analysis, and contribute to the organization's overall success. This comprehensive certification program is designed to equip banking professionals with the knowledge and practical skills needed to optimize bank operations and conduct thorough financial analyses. From mastering operational processes and systems to leveraging advanced analytical techniques and financial modeling tools, participants will gain a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to excel in these critical areas of banking. For financial institutions, investing in this certification can lead to improved operational efficiency, enhanced financial analysis capabilities, and a competitive edge in the market. By cultivating a team of certified bank operations and financial analysts, organizations can streamline processes, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions that drive growth and mitigate risks effectively. Individuals who complete this certification will emerge as trusted experts in bank operations and financial analysis, capable of driving organizational success through their in-depth knowledge, analytical skills, and commitment to operational excellence. They'll gain the expertise to optimize bank operations, conduct comprehensive financial analyses, and provide insightful recommendations, making them invaluable assets in the ever-evolving world of banking. Don't let inefficient operations and inaccurate financial analysis hold your organization back. Elevate your expertise and unlock new opportunities by enrolling in the Certified Bank Operations and Financial Analyst program today. Spaces are limited, so act now to secure your spot and join the ranks of certified professionals shaping the future of banking operations and financial analysis.